Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about one of my favorite bags, and I never thought I would love this bag as much as I do. This is the Mina Baie Midi Kinney, and I have the sold separately padded backpack straps attached. Oh my goodness, this is my new favorite purse. This is my purse, guys. I have nothing in here for my kids. So if you are an overpacker, if you like a compartment for everything, if you like to carry technology with you, keep on watching because I'm going to show you all around this bag and how I have her all packed. Okay, so like I said, this is the Mina Baie Midi Kinney. So there is a mini Kinney, a midi Kinney, and then the full-size Kinney. The mini and the full size do not have the detachable backpack straps, so if you're interested in adding the sold separately padded straps, which I highly recommend, you'll need to purchase this bag. And then it also comes with this great short strap that I use all the time when I'm just pulling it in and out of the car or whatever. And then you get 4 pockets on the outside of the bag. So you have 2 bottle pockets on the sides. In this one, I'm just keeping a pair of sunglasses. Then in this front pocket, I'm just keeping a little hair clip, and there is a key leash in here, which I do sometimes attach my key to. And then you do have a matching bottle pocket on this side. I do not have anything in there. Then on the back of the bag, you do have this one long zip pocket, and in here is where I throw my phone. So for reference, I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it fits in there no problem. I love that it's lined in neoprene. It's nice and protected. I don't feel it when it's on my back, and I can get to it super quick and easy when I'm out and about. Okay, going on to the inside of the bag. For purposes of the video, let me just remove this short strap here. This magnet, I believe there's 3 of them in here. These are strong enough to hold the bag closed even if you don't have it zipped. I absolutely love it, especially for when I'm in the city or somewhere where I just want a little bit more security. And then you do get a double zipper pull here to open the bag, and then there are more magnets on the side, so you have these tails so you can open your bag nice and wide, but then they click perfectly into place when they need to. Okay. So look at how organized she is. In the center of the bag, I do just have one pouch, and you guys, this is so old. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use it anyway because it's a great little Coach makeup bag. And I just have everything you could think of in here. Look how jam-packed she is. It's crazy. I've got lip gloss, a little hairbrush, floss, medicine, you name it, it's in here. Any cosmetic type things. I have a lint roller, hair ties. That's where all of that goes. When you look, you can see right where that fits, and then everything else is in a pocket. So in the back, you do get like a laptop sleeve. I don't believe a laptop will fit in there, but a Kindle or an iPad will. So I'm just keeping random stuff, an envelope, a little notebook, my Kindle, which is dead. And then we went to see Annie at our local youth theater, and that's in there as well. Then in front of that, you do get a long zipper pocket. And in here, I am keeping a battery, as well as my pen, my Sharpie, and my Tide to Go pen. These are on every bag I pack. Then down below that zipper pocket, you do get 2 slip pockets. In this one, I have just some potty essentials for me. I have a tampon down in there. I have some soap sheets in case there's no soap in the bathroom. I have some flushable wipes, some hand sanitizer, and some deodorant wipes. Just anything I might need to freshen up, or if that time of the month should arrive while I'm out and about. Next to that, you get another slip pocket, and in here I'm keeping wet ones because after you become a mom, you will never not have wipes on hand. And then I still carry a restaurant kit when I don't have my kids, just because you never know. They're going to forget your straw, they're going to forget your utensils, and when you're on the go as much as I am, that you just don't have time for that in your life. So I just have some plastic utensils and a straw hiding in there. Then you do get 2 slip pockets, one on each side of the bag. And then on this one, I have my Zoji Rushi water bottle. This is the 16 ounce, I believe, maybe 17. I love how cute it looks with the bag. It's nice and slim, but still holds a good amount of water. And the flow on this is really nice, that even my kids can drink out of it without spilling. And bonus points, it locks, so I know it's not going to spill inside my bag. On the other side, I am keeping my glasses, and I don't need glasses all the time, but driving at night or reading my book, I do like to wear them, so it's nice I can add those in there. And in the same pocket, I'm also keeping my hand sanitizer spray because, you know, public is gross. Then on the front wall of the bag, you have 4 more pockets, as if there weren't enough pockets already. In this top one is where I'm keeping my wallet. This is a Carry Kit card case, and I love it. And then there's some trash there, because this is real life. Underneath that, I am keeping these little snap bags are just the perfect size. This is actually my makeup bag. Can you believe my makeup fits in this little bag? So I have my little Saint compact, which is perfect for on the go. And then I just have some little brushes down in there as well. So if I have run out of the house and I didn't have time to do my makeup, I can do it on the go. Alright, then on the other side you have a zipper pocket. And in here I am keeping a clip of bag hook. This is the heavy duty one, so it can hold like a crazy amount of weight, and you can use it to hang your bag on tables or in a bathroom stall, wherever you may need, so you don't have to set your bag on the floor. And then also in that pocket I am keeping my AirPods, and I have them in this little case so that they can't fall out or get lost. And then finally, below that, there's one more pocket, and I have 2 items in it. The first item is a little mini Baie reusable shopping tote. And then I also have a flat pack of Kleenex. Alright, that's it. We have made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe below. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye!